If you are looking for an automation company, then you're in the right place. At Samchmat, we are the best automation company in Kenya. We make water vending machines, we make oil ATMs, and we make milk ATMs. Our ATMs and vending machines use our controllers that we make ourselves. So our PLCs are all made locally, and we can troubleshoot them and assist you whenever you have a problem. Our machines give accurate metering of the liquid being dispensed, and they are also self-calibrating. So they are easy to use. Also, the interface are user-friendly, and you don't have to struggle at all. So consider reaching us. We make portable vending machines, and we can also transform a room into a big machine, whereby you can have a single vending point or multiple vending points in a room. Or you can even have 3 in 1, whereby your room has all the 3 vending points. That's for water, for oil, and for milk. Our machines keep track of the cells, so you can always retrieve the cells whenever you want. And also, with the machines that have the GSM option, you can always retrieve the cells anywhere in the world using your phone. Consider reaching us. You can visit us for a better experience with our machines. We are located in Juja, next to JKUAT Gate B. So feel free to come visit us. I assure that you'll have the best experience.